In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Drive. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, for those who don't know, Google Drive is a cloud-based storage service that allows users to store, access, and edit files from any device. Now, if you want to learn how to use Google Drive, what you need to do, you need to click on these dotted icons. I would click on the drive, right? Wait for my drive to open. Yeah, so at first, when it comes to Google Drive, there are some features and settings you should get familiar with. So this is it. Welcome to Drive. So this new feature, if I click on it, if you want to create a new folder, you can create a new folder from this option. If you want to upload a file in Google Drive, you use this option. If you want to upload a folder from your PC, you use this option. Then there is the Google Docs option. There's a Google Docs where you can create a blank Google Docs document. You can get from a template. There is a Google Sheet where you can create a blank spreadsheet. There is a Google Slide where you can create a blank presentation. There are Google Forms where you can create your own blank form, your blank quiz, or from templates, right? So there is also the more option. This is Google Drawing. This is Google Maps. This is Google Sites. You can access any of these Google features from this new tab, right? Then you can connect more applications. If you want to do that, you'd click on the connect more apps to connect more apps to this. Then this is your drive. Your drive contains people. Let's say if you got a course right now, your drive contains like your contact information, right? Everything you need to know. So this is it. My whole document right here. How to reduce. Then your computers change automatically. So if you add, edit, move, or delete files in folders currently syncing into Google Drive, these changes will also happen on your computer. So this is another feature. Then share with me. Let's say if someone shared to you a digital product or a digital course here online through Google Drive access, you would get those courses right here. It will be displayed right here, right? Shared with me. So you get access to all the courses, digital products shared to you right here. Then your recent items exactly will be displayed right here as well. Then your start folder, if you start some digital products, some documents, some ebooks for educational purposes, right, it will be displayed amongst the start option. Then the spam, I know most. Okay, let me don't talk about this. Let's move over to the trash. If you deleted some image, some documents that are not really that important to you here again, it would be displayed here on this trash option, right? Then the storage, you'll see your storage, right? So far I've used just 12 MB out of 15 gig, and you can get more storage for yourself if you run a digital course, or if you upload some files here in Google Drive, or if you back up some folders, some videos, some images, some documents, some online courses. You can get more storage for yourself, right? Then you can also do this as well if this is necessary. Then let us head over to the settings. This is the settings, the Google settings. If you come on here, you'll be displayed with some options. Start page, it will be it would be the home. Appearance, it can be dark, it can be light, right? I'll leave it in dark. Let's see light. Let's see dark. Dark is cool. I'll switch it to dark. You can switch it to light as well. So density, it can be comfortable, it can be cozy. So I'll choose comfortable. Open PDF file. It will be in preview. Upload. Convert upload to Google Docs editor format. No, you won't click on this. Create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs sheet. You can leave this offline. You can leave this online, right? If you want to open your Google Docs without internet connection, let's say like mine here, I'm connected to my HowTo Edu hotspot, right? So HowTo Edu hotspot. So you can choose to click this. It can be offline, it can be online. Preview cards, show details cards when browsing. So this would be on. Allow sound, this will be on as well. The language settings, if you are from a country that doesn't really use English, right, you can come on here and change it, right? You can change it. So I'll refresh my page. Okay, so I'll go back, right? So yeah, so sorry for the error. So this is it. Okay, so if you just created a document right here online, or if you just created a new folder and you love to share that folder, you can come on here, you can create a new folder. How to edu, right? This is the new folder right here. Right now you'd click on the create. Once I have clicked on the create, I just created my folder, and I'll show you how you can share this folder. If you want to share this folder to your friends, what you need to do, you need to click on this dotted icons, more options. You can see open with. You can download this document. Sorry, you can download this folder. You can rename this folder if you want. You can share this folder to your friends and family. You can share it with either giving them access to your email, that is, you can give them access through the email address submitted, or you can copy this link and share to them manually, right? Then you can also organize it. You can change folder color, right? You can see this is displayed as red right now. So you can organize this, you can change it to any color you want to change. Then the folder information, you can see the folder details, the folder activity. You can also search within HowTo Edu folder if you want. Then you can as well move this to TRASH, right, if you want that. So this is basically how you can use Google Drive. This is basically a full step-by-step tutorial. If you have any questions you want to ask me, or if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.